get into it.
The box has definitely been really well made by ANG, and one of my favourite things about it is the JET2 Holidays tail design on the front. I think it's a really nice touch, and it's great to see they put that much detail into it.
Let's unbox the model.
The model itself is absolutely brilliant, with every last detail covered here by ANG, but I guess for the price you're paying for one of these models, you kind of expect that. But with some makers like Gemini Jets, that's not always the case. The detail on the wheels is also very good, as they roll if you push them, but obviously you're not really meant to do that with 1:400 scale models. There's also a hole for a stand to go in if you wanted to do that. It's now time for me to share my final thoughts on the model.